Di ba yung first vlog natin, imbes na get ready with me, unready with me tayo guys. Hey guys, so I'm Jen, 26 years old. So today is the day that I will be doing my first vlog. So first of all, before anything else, mag-remove lang ako ng makeup. I just got home from work. And of course, I will be introducing myself first before anything else bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating vlog. And hopefully, ma-continue ko siya, and this is what I really want. I've been trying like so many times sa iba't ibang platform. And di ko alam, I feel so shy. Parang dali kayo. Wait lang. Okay. Yeah, I feel so shy. And feeling ko kasi yung ibang tao pinagtatawa na lang ako. But yeah, I don't care. Papanindigan ko na to. Yeah, so first of all, yeah, I'm Jen, 26. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Physical Education. So basically, PE teacher. But right now, I am not in the industry, financial. But my work right now is I'm a call center agent. I will not be mentioning my company, para na lang sa privacy. And yeah, I just moved sa bago kong company. But it's almost the same with my previous company. Like, they are really competitor. Tama ba yan? Like, magkalaban talaga sila. So, still the same account. But yeah, that's all. I will not be mentioning anything about that. And when it comes with, I have 8 siblings. Yes, we are 9, and I'm the youngest. My parents pa ako, but the good thing here is that I already moved out at my parents' house. So it's almost a year now since I've moved out, and this is the reason why I will start vlogging. Kasi I feel like na-enjoy ko mag-take ng video. I have so many videos sa phone ko, pero hindi ko lang na-upload kasi nahiya ako. But I guess ngayon hindi na ako mahiya. So, yeah, ayun lang. And I'm a volleyball player. Way back. But I'm still playing, but not the same as before. Like, yung gustong maglaro, ang focus ko na ngayon is ang magturo ng volleyball. And actually, I'm a volleyball coach or / a trainer. That is also one of my dream. That's why I have decided to took Bachelor of Physical Education. So, before, nag-volunteer lang ako as a coach sa pinagtuturuan ng partner ko. So, 3 years na ako doon, going 4 years. And last year, there's actually an opportunity na nag-open na may kumuha sa akin sa ibang school naman, which is elementary. The good thing is, pinabayaran ako doon. And also, nagkakaroon na rin ako ng mga sidelines sa mga kakilala ko, yung mga schoolmate ko nung college. Kaming mga varsity, kinukuha na rin ako as coach. Which is, I'm so very blessed. And yeah, I really enjoyed teaching students, like sharing knowledge when it comes with volleyball. I'm not, honestly, nag-BPE ako not to teach, but there's also a part of me na gusto ko na rin magturo, but of course due to financial, we just need to be practical right now. Now, I'm still longing, sa matapos ko, na I hope na maperso ko pa din siya. But, I know there's always be a perfect time na ibibigay ni Lord sa akin. But as right now, I guess I will enjoy what I have right now and where I am right now. At least mayroon pa rin binibigay sa akin opportunity na ma-fulfill yung dream ko to pursue my dreams. You know what I'm saying, guys? Oh my gosh. Ito na ba yun? I'm just happy na, alam nyo, di ko alam, sobrang comfortable ako na nagsasalita sa camera. I feel like there's people na nakikinig sa akin. Kahit nakakatawa ako, but I really don't care, honestly. Ngayon, kakapalan ko na yung mukha ko. What more about me? Yeah, since high school, I started playing volleyball when I was in grade 8. Hindi ko talaga siya gusto, guys. Like, nakita ko lang yung ate ko na naglalaro siya and varsity siya. And yeah, nung nag-start siya ng varsity, that's the time that I follow na in-encourage ako ng coach namin, which is a good decision that I made. I'm the type of person na sobrang maawain. In a way na parang sobrang bait ko sa mga friends ko. But yeah, lately when I realized na I feel like pag hindi ka na nabavalue ng mga friends mo, then let go. Hindi ako marunong mag-makeup, guys. I just, learned lately, but still on the process. But I guess I'm already enjoying it. I am more into fashion, but not that fashionable. Nag-idolize pa rin ako. Like, I have so many inspiration bago ko gawin to. Like, especially Rai Velasco, and Ella Gatchalian, Hazel King, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Anil Day, Ray Hermar. Sila talaga yung mga, alam niyo yun, parang fantasy mo kapag nanonood ka ng vlog. And I really admire kung gaano kaganda yung mga ina-upload nilang vlog, which is at first, sila lang talaga nag-edit ng mga vlogs nila. As far as I know, sa mga vloggers na napapanood ko na yun, even before, sila pa rin ang nag-edit, which is the best. Grabe yung quality nung ina-upload nila. So, that they are my inspiration. But, we're hoping that paging kapareho din natin sila, we just need to be real, sa sarili natin. Well, yeah. I guess that's all. Hindi ako heavy mag-makeup, guys, kasi nga, nakaka-start ko pa lang. But yeah, it is what it is. Well, yeah, I guess that's all for my first vlog. And, sorry, I love piercing. Like, gusto ko talaga ng hikaw. Gusto ko maraming butas. Hoping to continue this vlog. Bye-bye. Thumbnail. Yun lang, guys.